Hello everyone. Myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from KK Wag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic syrup, that is a monophasic liquid dosage form from pharmaceutics 2. Topics to be covered are as follows: introduction to monophasic liquid dosage forms, classification of liquid dosage form, and syrup as a monophasic liquid dosage form. Monophasic liquid dosage forms. Monophasic liquid dosage form is a liquid preparation containing two or more components in one phase system. It is represented by a true solution. Second, a true solution is a clear homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving solute in a suitable solvent. And third, the component of the solution which is present in a large quantity is known as a solvent, whereas the component present in a small quantity is termed as a solute. Then, classification of liquid dosage form. A. Liquid meant for internal administration, in that mixture, syrups, elixirs. B. Liquid meant for external administration, in that again three classes: liquid for oral cavity by mouth, in that gargles, mouthwashes, throat paints. Second one, liquids instilled into body cavities, in that douches, ear drops, nasal drops. And third, liquids applied on a skin, in that sprays, liniments, lotions. So definition of syrup. Today we will discuss in detail about syrup. So definition: syrup is a sweet, viscous, concentrated or nearly saturated aqueous solution of a sucrose containing 66.7% weight by weight of a sugar. It gets classified into three classes: flavored syrups, medicated syrups, and artificial syrups. First one, flavored syrups. Flavored syrups contain flavoring agents: orange syrup BPC, lemon syrup BPC, etc. Medicated syrup, it contains medicament dissolved in it. Artificial syrups used for diabetic patients. Artificial syrups are prepared from polyols such as sorbitol, glycerin, propylene glycol or cellulose. Polymers such as methyl cellulose, hydroxymethyl cellulose, and artificial sweeteners such as sodium saccharide, sodium cyclamate. Artificial sweeteners are 500 times sweeter than sucrose, and they are non-caloric and they do not elevate the blood glucose level. Advantages of syrups: act as antioxidant by retarding the oxidation, as a sugar is hydrolyzed into levulose and dextrose. Act as preservative by retarding the growth of bacteria, fungi and mold, as a osmotic pressure is 16 times greater than the isotonic solution. Then good patient compliance, especially pediatric patients, as syrups are sweet in taste. Disadvantages of syrup: fluctuation in storage temperature, it may cause crystallization of sucrose from saturated syrups. Use of syrups: it is used as a vehicle, sweetening agent, preservative and flavoring agent. Formulation: vehicle, for an example, water. Adjuncts: chemical stabilizer, in that glycerin, polyethylene glycol or sorbitols. Solubilizing agent: twin 80, twin 20 like surfactants are added. Coloring agent: coal tar, dyes such as amaranth, compound tartrazine and green S and tartrazine. Flavoring agent: the following flavoring agents are added to the syrups. Tinctures, in that lemon tincture, ginger tincture, etc. Fruits juices, in that raspberry juice, wild cherry, etc. And essence, vanilla, orange, etc. Method of preparation: syrup is prepared by following three methods. Simple solution method, by process of extraction and syrup made by chemical interaction. In that first one, simple solution method, sucrose 66.7 gram, purified water 100 gram. Method of preparation is add sucrose, dissolve and heat it, then cool, add more purified water. By process of extraction, example is Tolu syrup. In that Tolu balsam 12.5 gram, sucrose 66.7 gram, purified water 100 gram. Method of preparation, add Tolu balsam to purified water in tiered vessel. Cover the vessel lightly and boil for half an hour. Cool, add sucrose, heat on water bath to dissolve the sucrose. Storage. The syrups are stored in a well-closed container in a cool and dry place. In this topic, syrup monophasic liquid dosage forms, the learning outcomes are: what is a monophasic liquid dosage forms? Classification of liquid dosage form, and syrup as a monophasic liquid dosage form. Thank you.